Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever found yourself looking for that perfect combination of function, style, and durability for your beauty space, you're in the right place today. Whether you're a professional stylist or just want to level up your home setup, this wall mount styling station might just be the piece you need. Today, we're reviewing the OmySalon wall mount styling station, a solid, modern piece of furniture designed to keep your tools organized and your space efficient. The OmySalon styling station is a well-built unit meant to help beauty professionals and home users alike manage their tools with ease. Let's break down the details and see how it stands up in real-world use. When it comes to features, this styling station impresses with its sturdy construction and thoughtful design. It's made from medium-density fiberboard, which gives it a scratch-resistant surface that's built to last. This material is also smooth and waterproof, making it a breeze to clean. Just wipe it down, and you're good to go. The sleek gray finish complements a wide range of decor styles, from commercial salon settings to home bathrooms. Plus, the upgraded aluminum alloy handles add a touch of elegance and extra durability. Now, onto the star of the show, the dryer holders. This station comes with 5 heat-resistant alloy dryer holders, designed to keep your blow dryers safe and organized. Each hole is sized differently, accommodating various dryers and other tools you might need. No more fumbling around with cords or stacking your equipment on the counter. Everything has a place. As for storage, this unit provides a good amount of space to keep your items in order. There are 2 locking drawers and a spacious cabinet for larger items. The locking feature is a thoughtful touch, especially for beauty professionals who need to store valuable tools or products securely. Whether you're working in a salon or just trying to keep your bathroom neat, this station offers practical storage solutions without taking up too much room. The assembly process is pretty straightforward, which is always a plus when you're dealing with furniture that's meant to support heavy tools. The back panel ensures stability once it's mounted on the wall, so you won't have to worry about the station wobbling or tipping over. But no product is perfect. One downside is that while it's designed to hold a variety of tools, if you have larger or particularly heavy equipment, you might need to double-check the weight limits. Also, while the design is sleek and modern, it's a little on the basic side if you're looking for something that's more custom or feature-heavy in terms of extra compartments. That said, for a solid, straightforward station, it does its job very well. In terms of value for money, I'd say this styling station is priced fairly for its durability and functionality. It's not the cheapest option out there, but considering the solid build and the additional locking drawers and dryer holders, it's reasonable. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other similar stations, but many of them come at a higher price point or lack the same attention to detail. For example, some stations may have more elaborate designs, but don't offer the same level of sturdy, heat-resistant tool storage. Now, let's talk about build quality and longevity. The medium-density fiberboard is great for ensuring a long lifespan, and the locking drawers add to the overall sense of security. There's a definite focus on lasting durability here, which is what you'd expect from a piece of salon equipment. With proper care, this station should easily withstand daily use for years. I did not need to contact customer service directly for this review, but based on the brand's reputation, I've read they are generally responsive and helpful, which is always comforting when purchasing a product like this. If you're on the hunt for something that doesn't break the bank, but offers reliable storage and a practical setup for your beauty tools, this might be just what you need. It's perfect for salons, spas, or even home use in the bathroom or bedroom to store everyday items. If this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon to stay up to date on all our latest beauty product reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest and insightful reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this styling station, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.